Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your number one tutor on this channel, Mr. Ike, aka Science Demystifier. In today's video, I'll be teaching you the chemistry of soap making. Now, the chemistry of soap making is simply known as saponification reaction. Now, saponification reaction is the hydrolysis of fat and oils using caustic alkali. Now, fat and oils are simply natural esters of fatty acids and glycerol. So what it means is that when you hydrolyze fats and oils, you will get a corresponding fatty acid and glycerol. Now let me go to the board and give you a simple illustration. Now, fat and oils generally can be represented with RCOOCH2, RCOOCH, and RCOOCH2. I believe you can see clearly from that point. Alright, so this is our fats and oils. Fats and oils. When I hydrolyze this stuff in water, to hydrolyze in water simply means to dissolve the fat and oils in water. When you hydrolyze in water, you get the corresponding fatty acid and glycerol. You get the corresponding fatty acid and glycerol. So when you hydrolyze, you have RCOOH, you get RCOOH and RCOOH plus a glycerol which we call propane 1,2,3-triol. So propane 1,2,3-triol is this. Propane 1,2,3-triol is this. So this is what we call glycerol, or you simply call it propane 1,2,3-triol. Okay, 1,2,3-triol. So this is my fatty acid. Fatty acid. So this is my fatty acid. So whenever you hydrolyze fat and oils by dissolving it in water, it will decompose to give the corresponding of the constituent fatty acid and glycerol. Now, assuming that I don't want to use water to hydrolyze, I want to use caustic alkali like sodium hydroxide. Let us see what I'm going to produce. Okay, if I want to use sodium hydroxide to hydrolyze, I will get a sodium salt of the fatty acid, which is this. Sodium salt of the fatty acid, which is this. And the same propane 1,2,3-triol or glycerol. Okay? So we have this. So this sodium salt of fatty acid is what is referred to as what? Soap. That is what we call soap. So when you hydrolyze fat and oils using caustic alkali, it will give you a sodium salt of the fatty acid, which is known as soap, and then followed by what? Propane 1,2,3-triol, which is called glycerol. Alright, now in the natural sense, fat and oils contains natural esters called propane 1,3-triol octadecanoate. propane 1,2,3 triol trioctadecanoate. That is a natural ester present in fats and oils. So when I hydrolyze the natural ester, which is propane 1,2,3 triol trioctadecanoate, using caustic alkali like sodium hydroxide, it will react to form sodium stearate or sodium octadecanoate, which is called soap, plus propane 1,2,3 triol. So that is the chemistry of soap making. Now remember, the R we have here is a very long hydrocarbon chain which can contain up to 10 to 18 carbon atoms in a molecule. So sodium octadecanoate contains about 18 carbon atoms. 18 carbon atoms. So the practical aspect of this lesson will be uploaded in the next video. So I'm going to be showing you how to quantify your ingredients, how to mix your ingredients to have a standard soap that can compete with other soap in the world, in the market. So don't miss out. See, knowledge is light. Knowledge enables you to be directed, and knowledge can give you the necessary skills to acquire wealth. So don't miss out. Try to subscribe to my channel to watch the next video on how to make laundry soap. So see you in my next video.